Welcome everybody. Today we're going to take a look at a mocha pot from Zulay Kitchen, and this is a really unique product line. This brand is brought to us by a family that wanted to honor their mom, and I thought it was a really unique story. So they did send me this mocha pot to review, and as someone who really loves coffee, I believe I want to learn everything I can to elevate my coffee game, and the mocha pot is a great solution to really good coffee. It's technically an espresso maker, but the way I drink my coffee is pretty strong anyway, so it fits right in there. This mocha pot does make me one of my giant cups of coffee, and it will power me for quite a while. But this is a very well-made mocha pot. Mocha pots are pretty simple. This particular one that they sell is not induction stove compatible, so you will need to use an adapter if you're using an inductive cooktop for these. But other than that, it is very well made and very, very useful. So your water is going to go down in this lower chamber, and then you're going to fill it with coffee. And I usually go a little bit higher than the edge and then lightly tamp it down with my finger. And then screw the two halves together, set it on your heat. Now this is important, and if you prescribe to the absolute king of caffeinated beverages, and that's James Hoffman, he's got a YouTube channel. He writes the gospel for us highly caffeinated people out in the world. And his recommendation for using a mocha pot has us bring it up to temperature, get the flow started, and then back off that temperature considerably so that we just get enough heat input to keep the boil going, to keep the water coming up in the top of the spout here. Once that coffee is done, we want to get it off the heat right away and stop it from continuing to heat the coffee. We don't want to put a lot of heat into the brew. And that's straight from the patron saint of caffeinated people, James Hoffman. So I take it as gospel, and I'll tell you, it makes a heck of a good cup of coffee. And we're going to take a look at what it takes to make a cup of coffee with a mocha pot right now. Enjoy a great cup of coffee made with your Zulay Moka Pot. Have a great day.